Hi guys, it's Yassin from Electricians. Today I'll be showing you how to replace a socket. It was requested by one of our customers. They had a problem with the number of sockets and they can't afford us to do all the sockets, and he asked us if we can do a quick video, show him how to do it, and he could do the rest himself. And I promised him I would do that. Now I'm showing you how to do it, and nice and safe. But the first things first, make sure you isolate the supply. It's a safe isolation, you got to do it. And I'll show you, I do have testers, but I'll show you how would you do it at home. Okay, now, if you have a lamp at home, something similar to this, or something smaller, what you do, you plug it into the sockets where you're gonna work. And if it does work, you leave it there. Then you go to the fuse box, you make sure you isolate the supply, or you turn the main switch off. Now everything is off. In this case, all what I need is only the socket to be off. I isolated that supply. Now, the good thing here, we got this a new socket. They're called rapid fix, which is they don't require any they don't require a screwdriver. All what you need is pull these levers up like that, and then all what you do, you insert a cable and close. But I will demonstrate it in a minute. Okay. That's the socket we're going to be replacing. Screwdriver you need to remove the screws. Cables are out, old sockets is out, and what you do, grab your cables. So, MK rapid fix. Now you pull all these levers up. You got your live wire goes into brown. You push it in like that. You close the lever, you pull the cable, and again, same thing, push the cable, push the lever, give it a pull, make sure it's not coming off. Now that's it. And the next one, neutral's in, sorry, earth is in, and pull the cable all nice and tight. And once again, neutrals to blue, push, pull, nice and tight, and again, and close and pull. That's done. Alright, and what you do, push it back. You got your screws there. Nice and easy. I think it was done just under 2 minutes. Okay, thanks for watching, and if you do need any help, give us a call. Thanks for watching.